you see we're getting it from that specific angle. We literally had to, pardon me, we literally had to go all the way over to the edge of the side here because we weren't able to see them from our driveway because that tree has gotten so big over the last, like, 5 or so years. We literally had to go all the way over here, so if you only see it from this specific angle, that can explain why. And last year also was kind of bad too. Oh, never mind. I take all that back. I take all of that back. Oh wait, generally speaking, never mind. And they're off. Dang, I've been hearing motorcycles all freaking day. It's true. Been hearing motorcycles all day. There we go. Yeah, I think we're getting back in. There we go. Now we're back in. Yeah. And yes, before you ask, for the 3rd year in a row, it is located in my neighborhood. There we go. There we go. I got that one on time. Yeah, if you can see that from all the way over here, that's insane. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that from all the way over here, but yeah, you see that? Like right there. There we go. There we go. Nice. Yeah. Yeah, if you can see it from this side. There we go. Now you can see it. See if we can get it all in one shot. Can we get it all in one shot? If two of them happen to be at the same time again, let's see if we can get them both at the same shot.
Oh, they want to finish it off for you.
I think that is it.
Till next year.
Yep. I guess we'll be back next year on Thursday, July 4th, 2024. Because, yes, if you do recall, next year is leap year. Well, that's it. I guess we'll see you in the next one. The next vlog is ironically not going to be long from now. July 17th.